Losing weight is a common goal, but it's essential to approach it in a way that is safe, sustainable, and beneficial for your long-term health. Crash diets and extreme measures may lead to rapid weight loss, but they often result in weight regain and potential health risks. Instead, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining good health. 1. Consult with a healthcare professional. 1. Before embarking on any weight loss journey, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. 1. They can assess your individual health needs, provide guidance on safe weight loss goals, and help create a customized plan tailored to your specific needs. 2. Set realistic and sustainable goals. 1. Aim for a gradual and sustainable weight loss of 1-2 pounds, 0.45-0.9 kilograms per week. 1. Rapid weight loss may lead to muscle loss and is often difficult to maintain. 3. Create a hypocaloric diet. 1. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. 1. A standard hypocaloric diet typically involves reducing your daily calorie intake. Here's how to do it. Calculate your basal metabolic rate, BMR, which represents the number of calories your body needs to maintain basic functions. Subtract 500 to 1000 calories from your daily calorie needs to create a calorie deficit. Aim for a daily caloric intake that allows you to achieve your weight loss goals while providing essential nutrients. 4. Understand macronutrients. 1. Your diet should include the 3 primary macronutrients. Proteins. These are essential for preserving muscle mass and promoting feelings of fullness. Include sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy. Limit refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. Fats. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in moderation. They are crucial for overall health and satiety. 5. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. 1. Focus on a balanced diet rich in nutrient-dense foods, including fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Lean proteins. Sources like poultry, fish, lean meats, tofu, and legumes can help you feel full and maintain muscle mass. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for sustained energy. Healthy fats. Include sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in moderation. 6. Portion control. 1. Be mindful of portion sizes. 1. Using smaller plates and paying attention to serving sizes can help you avoid overeating. 7. Monitor your intake. 1. Keep a food diary or use a calorie tracking app to monitor your food intake. 1. This can help you stay within your daily calorie goals. 8. Stay hydrated. 1. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 1. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. 9. Regular physical activity. 1. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercises, e.g., walking, jogging, cycling, and strength training into your routine. 1. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activity on 2 or more days a week. 10. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hunger hormones and lead to overeating. 11. Manage stress. Chronic stress can trigger emotional eating. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or mindfulness to help manage stress. 12. Be consistent. Consistency is key to successful weight loss. Stick to your healthy eating and exercise plan, even on weekends or during special occasions. 13. Avoid extreme diets. Steer clear of crash diets or diets that promise rapid weight loss without scientific backing. These can be harmful and difficult to sustain. 14. Seek support. Consider joining a weight loss support group or working with a registered dietitian for guidance, motivation, and accountability. 15. Measure progress beyond the scale. Track your progress with other metrics, such as body measurements, how your clothes fit, and improvements in fitness and energy levels. Remember that weight loss is a journey, and it's essential to prioritize your overall health and well-being. Sustainable weight loss involves making gradual, long-term lifestyle changes that you can maintain over time. If you're struggling with weight loss or have specific dietary restrictions or health concerns, consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that aligns with your goals and needs.